This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the valve stem on a tractor after the tractor supply valve stem that I put in there a couple of years ago apparently failed. So I noticed some liquid along the rim on this wheel that's loaded, and when I took the valve cap off, you can see that the valve core itself is stuck out kind of like an Audi belly button, and there's juice running out of it. And when I tried to remove that valve core with the tool, I could not get a hold of it. So I'm just going to replace that whole valve. When I first had a problem with that tire and leakage a couple of years ago, I bought a 2-valve set from Tractor Supply for about $6. So I have 1 valve left. Now I'm just going to spin that valve off, and I took it to the 1 o'clock position thinking that no liquid would run out of it. Obviously I was wrong there, but I'm going to spin that valve off. I've jacked this side of the tractor up to take the load off the wheel so it won't set down and take itself right off the rim. I'll just reach in here, take that valve off, let some liquid run out, put the new valve on, shoot some air in there, and hopefully that'll be that. I wasn't expecting that. I know it's killing all the grass beneath it. When I'm done here, I'll go rinse the tractor off with water. This is what the failed valve stem looked like. So after replacing the valve stem, I ran the air up to 16 psi as recommended, and when I opened that valve at the 1 o'clock position, I didn't expect to have liquid coming out of there, so this thing was more loaded than I thought. But anyway, I came in here and I rinsed everything off for about 5 minutes. I'm not sure if the stuff that was in that tire is caustic or not, but hopefully with this new valve the thing will hold air. It'll be good for another few years. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and thank you for watching.